The stark warning from the nation's top doctor accelerates a national push to limit kids' access to social media. In the New York Times, the Surgeon General writes, the mental health crisis among young people is an emergency, and social media has emerged as an important contributor. On Today, Dr. Murthy said adolescents average 5 hours per day on social media.
When adolescents spend more than 3 hours a day on social media, we're seeing an association with a doubling of risk of anxiety and depression symptoms.
Surgeon General Murthy wants congressional approval to add a warning label on social media, much like the warning on cigarettes. Research suggests texts, posts, and online bullying can undermine kids' self-confidence, especially body image, with some taking their own lives.
Many of them say that they can't get off it because the platforms are often designed to maximize how much time our kids are spending on them.
You have blood on your hands.
In January, top social media CEOs faced bipartisan fury. CEO Mark Zuckerberg apologized to victims' families, insisting Meta Facebook is working to reduce social media's harmful effects.
To make sure that no one has to go through the types of things that your families have had to suffer.
The Surgeon General recommends phone-free zones at school and at home during meals, bedtime, and social gatherings. And kids should have no access to social media until they're out of middle school.
I think we're going to find out just how addictive this stuff is. I have an unhealthy relationship with these things. I can admit that. And so to let my kids into it, they're not ready.
Jacqueline Brostein says her kids can wait until they're 16. 10-year-old David says he's in no rush for a phone.
People are always staring at them in like restaurants and like literally everywhere they go, and like that makes me feel like bad, and I don't like that.
Meanwhile, New York is set to become the first state to prohibit social media companies from using algorithms to target children, while the LA Unified School District could soon join others in banning cell phones during the school day. Lester?
All right. Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.